The crowd erupt. A wave of thunder, applause, and cheer washes over the stage, a testament to the captivating performance that just concluded. But in his mind, he was thinking of the time when hordes have passed by, the air crackled with tension, thick enough to slice with a knife. In a dimly lit room, he hunches over his desk, surrounded by countless crumpled papers. He's not just preparing for a speech, he's creating a deception for the deceivers, but a motivation for those who are true at heart. In the All Pakistan Declamation Contest looms large, and his chosen story is a carefully guarded secret. Now, whispers swirl around him like a dust storm. Everyone expects a classical historical speech, a safe bet in the eyes of the competition, but the harbors a darling plan to deliver a powerful, lesser known narrative that resonates deeply with him. He knows revealing his choice would invite skepticism, even ridicule. But his chosen story is booming historical account of a national hero. That's not the case. It's quite introspective tale of resilience, a hidden gem that speaks to the human spirit's ability to overcome extraordinary odds. He believes in its power, its ability to connect with the audience on a deeper level than predictable choices. But keeping his secret under wraps take a toll. He navigates the competition circuit, fielding questions and indulging hints from fellow competitors about the selection. The pressure mounts, fueled by fear of his unconventional choice backfiring on the national stage. Finally, Finally, the day arrives. Backstage, he stands amidst the nervous energy, the weight of his secret, a heavy clock on his shoulders. As he steps onto the stage, bathed in the harsh glare of the spotlight, a decision hangs in the air to succumb to the pressure and deliver a predictable speech, or to trust his gut and unleash the power of his hidden story. Taking a deep breath, he throws caution in the wind. His voice fills the hall, not with the expected bombastic pronouncements, but with the quick strength of his chosen narrative. The audience, initially surprised, leans in, captivated by the raw emotions and vulnerability pouring from his words. By the end of his performance, the hall erupts in thunderous applause. The deceptive, has not only captivated the audience but also earned the respect of his peers and the judges. His unconventional choice, born of passion and convention, proves to be a master stroke. This story of testament to the power, believing in the story that resonates it about a boy named Ali Nasir, who, with that speech, won the fourth best English declamator in all Pakistan. And sometimes the most unexpected choices lead to the most impactful moments. So don't be afraid to break the mold, to champion the stories that resonate with you, and trust the ground on the stage. So, the things we learn from this is that this is not just a story of public speaking, but a testament to the power of believing in your own voice, even when it seems like a monstrous gamble. Remember, you have it in you. So step out of the shadows, find your story, and unleash it on the world. Until next time, keep finding your voice, and who knows, you might just become a monster in the world of public speaking. Ali Nasir signing off.